Hey everybody, it's Jenny. Just remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I love to see it. Anyway, I'm making a traveler's notebook layout with a picture of what else? Pizza. And I'm using the Cocoa Daisy Cactus Moon collection. I'm using that one because there was a card in it that you'll see in a minute that I really wanted to use with this pizza layout. I don't really know why. It says there's a whole lot of yum going on here. It just really sort of spoke to me about the pizza and about how it's my favorite. And now that I've identified that traveler's notebooks are a great way to tell singular small stories, I really can't think of it any other way. And I can't not be excited about this idea. And I'm not saying like, oh, it's a revolutionary idea. I'm saying that like I have sorted my thoughts about memory keeping in this way into this way to not only document but storytell as well at the same time. And it's awesome. All right, so then this favorite card was also perfect because I want to talk about my favorite pizza, which is in this photo. And I'm going to trim these cards down just a tiny bit, maybe like a quarter of an inch or a little bit more, and then have them hang off the edge a little bit. So it'll give me room in the center to embellish. I put this one down right here, and it seemed like a really good idea. And then a little bit later, I changed my mind. So stay tuned for that. So now I've got the left side, the skeleton of it, the bones, no embellishments, nothing like that. I mean, obviously some, but not the whole thing. Now on the right hand side of the page, I'm going to use a white sheet of cardstock that I've trimmed down to 4 1/8 by 8 1/8. And I'm going to adhere my photo down in the lower right hand corner, and I'm going to put it a little bit off kilter, so not completely straight up and down, a little diagonal, and then trim the edges off that hang off the edge of the paper. I loved it because the photo has a slice of pizza removed, which is how I wanted it, because I wanted it to invoke the idea that we couldn't wait to eat it, like that we were so excited about it. And so because that throws off the linearness of the circle with the pizza removed, I thought it would be fun to skew the photo a little bit too. I'm also using this 8 This stamp set from Everyday Explorers, and I'm just going to ink it up and use my black VersaFine and then stamp right over that circle that I punched and layered behind the photo. I love the way that we 8 This pops out right there. It looks bold and awesome, and I'm here to tell you we most definitely ate this because that pizza was delicious. So then I'm stamping the can't stop, won't stop right above it because again, same thing, can't stop, won't stop. And then I pulled out these alphabet stickers. They were actually from the Confetti Moon collection, but I didn't love the alphas that were included with the Cactus Moon collection. Confetti Wishes. Did I say that? Confetti Wishes collection. But I didn't love the ones that were in the Cactus Moon. So I decided, well, I've got this whole other set. Let's use them. Now I am using an old, like 10-year-old Studio Calico Mist. It's dewy. I seriously had so many bottles of this because I loved this color. And I haven't used these in 5 years or something. But it was really fun, and I thought it matched that sheet of paper that I used for the background on the left-hand side. So now I've printed my journaling on clear sticker paper, and I'm going to adhere it down below where the word pizza is on that journaling card. And side note, this card was perfectly sized for single space journaling because this fits perfectly on the lines too. What a win. That never happens. So now I'm just going to figure out a couple of little small chipboard embellishments to include, and that will also be on the left-hand side. That's when I figure out that I don't love where that other embellishment is. So after I do this arrow, I'm going to move the other one and add a little bit more adhesive because I don't want it to pop off. And I'm set. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much and make it a great day.